Hey, what's up everyone? I hope you're doing great. Welcome back to my YouTube channel once again, and it's Oboypapi. In today's episode, I'm going to show you guys exactly how I made 2000 cities class in less than 3 to 5 months. If today is your first time being on my YouTube channel, please subscribe to receive more content like this. And don't forget to smash on the bell so you get notified whenever I drop a new video. I would also appreciate if you hit the like button. Anyway, your comment means a lot, so please go ahead and drop them. I'll be back.
I told you I have the best job for you. Will you be interested? A once-in-a-lifetime opportunity to earn more than you could spend. All you need is 50 Ghana cedis, and a smartphone to be part of this great opportunity. You will stand the chance to go home with plasma TV, smartphones, laptops, foodstuffs and expensive cars. And also enjoy a luxury vacation around the world. Contact us now to be part of this great opportunity.
Welcome back once again, guys. So in today's video, I'm going to introduce you to one of the common method of making money online, which is network marketing, also known as multi-level marketing, MLM. Before we continue, I would like to show you guys how much I've made so far, and by the end of this video, I'll make a live withdrawal so you know how real this company is. I've made $295, that is 1,475 cedis, because each $1 is worth 5 cedis in this business. I actually got 10 accounts, and my second made $140, which is 700 cedis for the past 4 months, and my third account made $100, which is 500 Ghana cedis. So together I've made a total of $535, which is 2,675 cedis. Now, if you may ask what's network marketing, let's break it down. Networking is the process of interacting with others to exchange information and develop professional or social contacts. What is marketing? I would say it's the action of promoting or selling products or services, including advertising. So now that you understand network marketing in general, I will be showing you guys the method I use to earn faster in this business, and also what exactly you do to get paid in this business. Majority of the people are scared of MLM business. Why? That is because it involves referrals, and people actually don't enjoy referrals. Well, not everyone do. I will personally say referrals has always been part of our daily lifestyle. Now let me explain myself in a story. For example, Kofi loves Sarkodie. Whenever Sarkodie drops a new project or music video, Kofi will share on his WhatsApp status. Now Ya sees the video, right? And she loves the music video. That very day, Ya starts downloading all the music of Sarkodie and even paid money on iTunes to get some of these songs. Now that is what we call referring. You actually referred Ya for Sarkodie without you knowing. Sarkodie then makes money, but you never get paid. The company I have been working with for the past few months wants to pay you for doing the same thing. You post about the company, just like posting Sarkodie's music video, and you get paid for doing that. Now that we have stages that you pass through in order to make money from this business, that is from stage 1 up to stage 7. Each stage requires you to complete a task before you receive your earnings. I already have a video on my channel which explains the compensation plan of this company. You can check the video, but I will explain the first 3 stages. So in stage 1, you are expected to have a total of 6 people under you. Now this is how you get your 6 people. You provide 2 people, which is Kofi and Ama. Now Kofi and Ama are supposed to bring 2 people each. Let's assume they are called Kojo, Ya, Kwesi and Ekuya, which makes 6 people. Then you automatically move to stage 2. You make a total of $2, that is 10 cedis. Now for you to complete stage 2, you need all the 6 people under you to move to stage 1 from stage 1 to stage 2. So you can move to stage 3, meaning you need Kofi, Ama, Kojo, Ya, Kwesi and Ekuya to come to stage 2, and you earn a total of $30, which is 150 Ghana cedis, and also qualify to be part of a skill training. That is how to make yogurt, washing powder, shower gel, hair shampoo and many more. Same thing happens when you get to stage 3. You need all the 6 members in stage 2, okay, to complete and join you in stage 3 so you can move to stage 4. This goes on to the last stage, which is stage 7. After completing stage 3, you earn $70, that is 350 Ghana cedis, and smartphone or Bluetooth speaker power bank or burner worth $100, which is 500 cedis, will be given to you. So you will need to choose the one that you actually do like, and you get it additional to. Now there's something we call spillover in this business, which means you get more than you expected to bring. That becomes a spillover. Each person in this business is expected to provide just 2 people, but if you bring more than 2 people, now it becomes a spillover and it will be placed under those under you. Okay, so for example, if you bring extra 2 people, it is going to be placed under Kofi. Okay, since you registered Kofi first, if you get another extra 2 people, it will be placed under Ama, who is your second person who actually you registered. So now the same thing will happen when you get another extra people. It will be under those you placed under Kofi. You get me? So it means that you make sure every person in your team is getting their 2 each. Okay, now this actually means that if you join this business and you don't bring or refer anybody, you're still going to make money thanks to your upline. So let's assume you under someone like Oboypapi, because me, I will personally make sure you have people placed under you, whether you bring or you don't bring, based on a policy called first come first served. It means that if you came to meet Kofi in the team, you will need to wait for Kofi to receive his 2 people before we come to you. Same way, if Kofi came to meet you in this business, Kofi will have to wait and join the queue and wait for you to get your 2 people before we come to him. Okay, now network marketing isn't about how much money you are going to make. It's about how much impact you can have on other people's lives. It's about how much value the service provides to the people. It's about putting other people before you, because if you put others before you, the money will come. These days, so many people are focused on the end game, the harvest. Now the planting and the watering, letting the sun grow on their account is not what they really care about. When you put people before money, the money will come. Okay, now let me go ahead and make the withdrawal so that you guys know this is actually working. I'll show you my proof that this actually works, and it's been making money for me, okay, for the past few months, and I'm really happy in this company, and I wish everybody would be part of it. So now let's go ahead and watch the video tutorial. Okay guys, so I'm going to log in into my account. Okay, I've already entered my login details. I will log in and try to make a withdrawal so that you guys will know this is actually working, and it's not just a joke or something. I mean, so this is my account, and as you can see, I have a total earning of $295, and available funds is 147. Okay, and total encashment, that is withdrawals, that is $148. Okay, and as you can see, there's my profile, and Oboypapi1, that's my username. Okay, and as you can see over here, I joined with $10, that is 50 cedis, and that is the membership fee. Okay, so I'll go ahead and make withdrawal. Okay, so I'll go to withdraw funds. Okay, so right here I need to select the method that I want to make the withdrawal to. So select the withdrawal method. Now we have 3 methods, which are, the first one is mobile money, which is account details. You need to enter your mobile money, and the second one is Bitcoin wallet. Third one is perfect money. So it means that you can make withdrawal from any of this method. If you don't have mobile money, you can do it through Bitcoins, or you can do it through perfect money. So today I'm going to withdraw through account details, which is mobile money. Now I need to enter my mobile money number. Okay, so I'll provide my mobile money number. Okay, 74,533,96. Just make sure your mobile money number is actually correct, so cross check. Now once I'm done with it, I'll go ahead to enter the amount of money I want to withdraw, which is $50. Okay, so $50 as I have 147, so I'll make a withdrawal of $50. Now I need to enter my transaction password. Okay, that is the password you need to be able to do what make withdrawals from the platform. So make sure you change your transaction password, and make sure you have it in mind. I can show you my transaction password. Okay, so now that I'm done with the transaction password, I'll go ahead and click request withdrawal. Okay, so I'm going to request withdrawal. Okay, so as you can see, the amount has been deducted, and now I have $97. Okay, let's go back to the dash. Let's go to the pending withdrawals. Okay, so this is the pending withdrawal, that is mobile number. As you can see, a $50 withdrawal, and it's pending. The status says pending. Okay, so this may take up to 24 hours to receive your money. Sometimes it's less than 1 hour, sometimes 2 hours, but you may wait up to 24 hours for you to receive your money. So there's pending encashment, pending encashment, which is $50. Okay, so right now we just need wait for them to make send the money to our mobile money wallet. Okay, guys, so after a couple of minutes, I get to receive a message from Seed Network International, meaning that I've received my 250 Ghana cedis, because $1 each is 5 cedi in their platform. Okay, they don't use the normal dollar rate. No, it's their own rate. They pay 5 cedi for each dollar on their system. Okay, so after the withdrawal, now in less than 30 minutes I've received my money, and as you can see, it was very fast. Now this procedure is a manual procedure, so sometimes it may take up 24 hours for you to receive your money. Sometimes in less than an hour or minute you might get your money. Okay, so there's my money over here. It says 250 cedis received from a Seed Network. That is a Seed Network International, and that is my the $50 that I made withdrawal of. So guys, this is not a joke. This is not a scam, which some of you may think. I know some of you are very skeptical when it comes to these things, but you are going to get a team support if you join my team. Just imagine my followers over here, most of them decide to join us. Let's say out of the 9k members or 9k subscribers that I have, let's assume 1,000 of them wants to join this team. Okay, I'm supposed to provide just 2 people, so it means that the rest of the people who are going to be placed under your account based on first come first served. Okay, so you just need to make sure you join this team with your 50 cedis, and we are going to get you someone placed under you so that you make money from that. Okay, so for you to be part of this team, all you need to do is to contact me. Okay, I have a link below, which when you click on it, it's going to take you to WhatsApp, so that you can send me a message that you want to be part of it. Okay, then I'll send you the registration forms and get you registered. So you can't register yourself unless maybe you contact someone who is already registered. So kindly go through the video description and click on the link, any of the link. Okay, so if you click on it, it will take you to my WhatsApp, and I'm going to send you the full registration details and get you registered ASAP. You can join this company from any country, so make sure you contact me for your registration. Okay, so stay blessed. Thank you for watching, and I'm going to bring you more content like this. So subscribe if you're a new member over here. Thank you. Peace.
I've been feeling lonely. I've been feeling, staring at the pictures on the walls. Every time I see you with some other